Goa-Shord Frisian is a collective term for 3 of the 10 dialects of the North Frisian language. Goa-Shord Frisian is spoken in the historical Goa-Shord region north of Husum. The 3 distinct dialects are Northern, Central and Southern Goa-Shord Frisian. The latter became extinct with the death of the 2 last speakers in 1980 and 1981 in Hatchtit. Central Goa-Shord Frisian is therefore now the southernmost dialect of mainland North Frisian. The Northern Goa-Shord dialect is further divided into 2 local varieties, the Horninger Fraish of Langenhorn and the Hulmer Fraish of Ockholm. Current situation: the 2 remaining dialects of Goa-Shord Frisian are also threatened by acute extinction. Already in the early 20th century, only Ockholm in the northern Goa-Shord region had been identified as a truly Frisian village with a majority of Frisian-speaking households and children. Also, the central Goa-Shord Frisian is severely threatened. In 2006, the last local speaker died in Boomstedt and only few speakers are remaining in Drelsdorf.